Team, I want to talk about one important development in secure recharges space, which is automation of secure recharge by signing up on eNACH through BillDesk. What it means in simple language is that partners can now link their bank account or debit card with Oyo Secure Wallet, and this will enable Oyo to directly recharge Oyo Secure Wallet from partner's bank account. So essentially, automating the entire secure recharge flow whenever secure wallet balance becomes low. Now, why should partners sign up for it? There are three key benefits. First and most important is that it will ensure Oyo secure balance is never low, and hence business of partner does not get impacted because of insufficient wallet balance. Second, partners can now sign up on Secure at a low onboarding amount, which is rupees 500 per room. And this is simply because recharges are covered through eNACH. And third, as a promotional offer, Oyo will top up 30% on all recharges done via eNACH in month of July. So team, these are very important benefits which we should highlight to partners and convert majority of partners on eNACH. Now, signing up on eNACH is a simple process. It's a 5-minute online process, and to do so, just click on this link. By doing that, you will land up on Oyo Secure page. Enter CRS ID here. So, for example, I have entered LCK648. Click on next. Please ensure that CRS ID is correct, because all future transactions then get linked to CRS ID, which is mentioned at the time of registration. It will auto pick the details from our database. However, please ensure that name, mobile number, and email ID, these three match with whatever is registered with bank account which partner is planning to sign up on eNACH. Now partner can select maximum amount which he's authorizing Oyo with. So for example, if it's a low demand market, partner can select 1000 rupees. If it's a high demand market, then partner can select 3000 rupees. And by doing that, it essentially puts an upper cap to maximum amount that Oyo can deduct from partner's bank account during weekly recon. Now click on preview. All the details are shown on this page. Please check if these are correct and then click on submit. Now you will land up on BillDesk page. These details are picked up from the previous page and cannot be edited, so please ensure that the previous page details are correct. The section that you need to focus on is the mandate section. In this, firstly, account type. Please select whether the account type is saving or current. So for example, it's a saving account type. Please enter account number. So I will just enter one dummy account number. Amount is again which is auto picked from previous page. As you see, it's maximum amount which is mentioned here. It's pre-filled, so you don't have to do anything. Start date, end date, no change to be made. Frequency, no change. Purpose of mandate, no change. Where you need to now make changes, authentication mode. So please select whether the partner wants to sign up through net banking or debit card. So for example, net banking, and then finally select on bank account. So for example, HDFC Bank, and click on next. Now just review the details. Again, click on this box and click on proceed. So as you click on proceed, you will then land up on the net banking page of that particular bank. Now I had selected wrong account ID and hence it does not approve, but nevertheless when the details are correct, you will land up on the net banking page of that particular bank, wherein partner will have to log in. After doing that, there will be one OTP that will be sent to partner's registered mobile number. Partner will have to enter that OTP and click on submit. Upon doing that, 1 rupee will be deducted from the account as a confirmation fee, and in the end there will be a response page which will show successful registration. Once that message is shown, essentially it means that the registration process is complete, and on next day partner will receive a mail from OYO on successful registration. So team, this is simple online registration process. Let us capitalize on this opportunity and automate the entire recharge process. Again, for any issue or query, please reach out to secure@oyorooms.com. Thank you team for patiently listening to this video.